네, 오늘은 제 그 독일 친구 집에 와 있는데요. 오늘 떡볶이를 만들어 주기로 했어요. 그래가지고 지금 친구 집에 와서 떡볶이 만드는 걸 찍고 있거든요. 그래서 이게 화면이 잘 안 나오네. 네, 친구 집이고 집은 공개하지 않을 거예요. I will not like open your room. So yeah.
Ah, you can show.
Oh,
Don't worry. It's not
네.
a problem.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. So, this is her room, and this is her kitchen, and she's Nora, my
Hello.
friend. And she's grinding some garlics, yes, and I will make some tteokbokki, which is Korean street food. And yeah, I'm not sure it would be delicious, but yeah.
It will be.
Yeah, I hope so. Because I do not cook the Korean food a lot in my dormitory, so.
왔다 독일.
Watch the Germany.
Okay, anyways, I have to maybe pour this. Maybe I'm thinking whether I need pen or pot. Maybe.
You can also use a pen.
Yeah.
You have to add the garlic and
Yes.
onions. Okay,
Yeah,
then
yeah.
it's better to use a
Yeah.
pen.
Pen.
Yeah, the wait. I think it's already quite hot. I'm gonna turn this off. This is the pan. The
Okay.
huge one.
Yeah, let me
Too
think.
big?
No, it's not big, but
Okay.
yeah, it would be better.
Oh.
Oh.
No.
Then maybe we should. We
You can add a bit of
Yeah,
it, maybe. Yeah.
yeah.
So we have just that it doesn't burn.
I can put them right now. It doesn't matter.
Or we can just use a bit. So.
Yeah.
And then add the rest in the end. So what's in there?
Pepper sauce
Mm-hmm.
and pork and onion and soy sauce and sugar.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so I will just add the.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Maybe I think we can add just right now the amount we need. So yeah, maybe I can handle it. So could you hold my
Yes.
camera? Thank you. It's first time someone's like filming me.
Yeah, yeah, that's true.
I
Yeah,
always do it myself.
yeah. It's so interesting. Oh, I think it's
Yeah, maybe we
very
should.
hot.
Yeah. Can I control the fire?
Yeah, you can, but I already turned it off because you remember before I turned it on and we didn't do anything, so it got very hot.
You
So we
mean-
just have to wait a bit and it will cool down.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah. So it's interesting to see yourself on the video. I sometimes don't want to know how I look on the video.
Yeah, right. And I will add this stuff.
So tell me more about yourself.
No, maybe people are not very curious about me. Maybe more about you.
Because they already know you.
Yes, but yeah. But you know, they're more interested in German,
Okay.
not me.
But you're German now because you live here.
Oh. Do you cook a lot in your house?
Yes, I really like cooking, but it just takes so much time.
Yeah.
So as a student, I sometimes prefer to go to the canteen.
Right.
Yeah.
And you know, in canteen, I can have like many nutritious food with cheap price.
Yes.
Yes, really
Yeah.
good, I think.
That's true.
Yeah, even you know, even if I do not have any course or class, I just go school
Yeah.
and have lunch
Yes.
like that. Yeah.
Yeah. Also in Korea.
No.
No.
And hey, do you have like
Yes.
something like
Somewhere up here. I don't.
okay.
Yeah,
Oh.
this one. Yeah.
Maybe I should add some.
It smells so nice already.
Oh.
Oh, it smells like Korean food now. Oh gosh, yeah. This is how all the Korean restaurants smell like.
Oh really?
Yes.
Have you been any restaurant near here? Or a restaurant?
I've been to one in Heidelberg.
Oh, Heidelberg?
Yeah, because I was there with my boyfriend, and my boyfriend loves Korean food.
Oh.
So
What does he like?
oh, he really likes the hot stone bowl with, you know, this hot. It's a very hot bowl,
Hot bowl. Yeah, and?
and they serve it right away, and it's really hot. You can't touch it.
Oh. Ah.
Stone bowl, and in there is I think minced beef,
Yeah.
fried egg, rice.
I think it's all.
It actually smells a bit like fish, but there's no fish in it.
Yeah. Maybe it's because of this
What's this?
anchovy.
Oh yes, of course, that's
Yeah.
fish.
Yeah.
Ah, wow. Do you use that a lot? Anchovy, interesting.
Like,
The powder,
yeah, powder of the
Yeah.
anchovy.
cool.
Yeah. I took it from Korea.
Wow. Italians really like to put anchovy into their pasta or on the pizza.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah. Really like
Yeah, I
that.
think I should keep it. I should keep it in the fridge.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's meat.
네, 지금 그래서 떡볶이를 만들었어요. So where should we sit?
Shall we sit on the floor?
Yeah, cool.
Okay.
Can I sit?
Or we can
Oh.
sit on the bed as well.
Oh, cool. Yeah, so I want to know.
Yeah.
I wonder your reaction to the tteokbokki.
Yes.
Yeah. So tell me about the first bite.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it hot?
Yeah. It's a little hot, but not that hot.
Nice.
Oh, really?
It's nice because it's sweet plus spicy and it's hot.
Oh, hot? Oh,
But
really?
it's nice. But
Yeah.
that's like the maximum.
Yeah. Oh, that's
me.
good. Actually, oh, it's off.
Oh.
Okay, that's maybe it's so French style to have tteokbokki. I've never seen someone like cutting like this. Yeah.
So I will try that.
Yeah. So, can you tell me how was it?
Okay. Yeah, you know I'm a star. So.
Yeah. Yeah. So, can you tell me? Is it okay with you?
Oh yeah.
Cool.
This is the first time I taste something like that.
So it tastes garlic very much, right?
Yeah, finally it was enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very nice.
Yeah. Cool.
I really like how it tastes, and it is not too spicy for me.
Yeah.
That's just perfect.
Yeah. Cool. I actually add some lots of water
Okay.
here to make not that spicy. Cool.
That's really cool.
Yeah. Okay. So, what we're doing is to add some flatbread with tteokbokki. Maybe it's the first in the world. Cool. Yeah. Thank you. I will dip into the sauce, this flatbread. Cool. And this.
That you can just.
Yeah, wow. Wow, yeah. That's so French.
But this is not a French bread.
Yeah.
This is more a Lebanese.
Yes, yes, it is.
Bread or Yeah.
Yeah. So I know every time we have in canteen, I mean the cafeteria,
Yeah.
you get one bread every
Yeah.
time. So I wondered if it's so common in France to have one bread in every meal.
Yeah. Yeah, this is just a tradition. In
Oh.
France, you always have bread when you eat.
Oh, yeah, that explains.
Yeah, that's very, very common.
Cool. Even like there is some sweet. It is not sweet rice cake, but there are some sweet things.
It's so cool.
I've never seen someone cutting this stuff. Yeah, it's so weird to me. Wow.
But how do you do with baguettes?
Baguette.
With how do you call that in English? Sticks.
Sticks.
You know,